Today we're going to talk about jeans. Specifically, what kind of a fit is good for you according to your body, shape and size. There are so many different types of fit of jeans available out there. Yet, we keep on dragging ourselves in the same pair of jeans. For example, I've seen some oversized boys wearing skinny jeans, which is a big no-no. And then there are some skinny boys wearing baggy jeans. So you should watch this video today and understand the kind of fit that goes for your body shape. And the next time you go denim shopping, you get it just perfect. Hi everyone, I'm Rahul Badesra. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I give you dope and insights on fashion, grooming and self-improvement. So let's explore a bit of the culture from where jeans originated. Jeans are pants made from denim or dungaree cloth. They were invented by Levi Strauss and Jacob Davis in 1873. Originally designed for miners, modern jeans were popularized as casual wear by Marlon Brando and James Dean in the 1950s films, leading to the fabric becoming a symbol of rebellion among teenagers. From the 1960s onwards, jeans became common among the various youth subcultures and subsequently young members of the general population. Nowadays, they are one of the most popular types of specialty trousers in the Western culture. Historic brands include Levi's, Lee and Wrangler. Let's move on to the different types of jeans. First, we have the skinny fit. This is the one that most people are afraid of, and it's a recent introduction to the modern jeans world. It is tight from your hip to your thigh and all the way down to your ankles. Not a great fit for everyone, especially if you're too thin, muscular, have wide hips or a large waist. But if you're trying to go for that rocker chic look, you can't really pull it off without a skinny fit. Go to the club or to a fancy dinner, these jeans always show that you've got style. Next are the slim fit. They are one of the most versatile pair of jeans you can ever own. And contrary to the popular belief, slim fit jeans are not meant for just slim guys. Slim fit jeans sit just below the waist and offer a slim fit all the way to your hip. Slim fit jeans will take you from desk to dinner with no problem whatsoever. You will always look good in a pair of slim fit jeans, and it's a winning fit for athletic built guys. Next up is the straight fit. This one is a timeless fit, it's relaxed and that classic pair of jeans. It sits below the waist again, but it is straight all the way through the construction. It's a bit more relaxed, so not the best option for wearing to your office. This works well for almost all kind of body shape. Next up is the relaxed fit or the loose fit. It's basically a baggy fit and the roomiest fit of all jeans, and it provides plenty of space in the thighs, legs and butt for men who need it. Best option to lounge around in the house or the weekend fit. Not a good option to go on a date or to the office. It's not a good option for thin or athletic body types. I'd highly recommend the relaxed fit for men with wider hips and a larger waist. Up next are the bootcut jeans. You'll notice that we've changed the shoes to the Chelsea boots for this type of jeans. These are basically the cowboy jeans and are super cool and stylish. This basically sits right below the waist and is a straight fit all the way through your thighs to your knees, and then it is relaxed fit from your knees to ankles, basically to accommodate the boots. It's definitely not meant for office, but is the perfect weekend errand jean. Well, I hope this gives you a good insight into the world of jeans, and the next time you go denim shopping, you're totally on point. And now, the must-have jeans for every stylish man in 2021. First up is a dark blue pair of denims. You can pair this for every occasion, from a semi-formal event and pair it with a dinner jacket to a casual look, and even to an office Friday. A white pair of jeans. It's a quintessential in every man's wardrobe and gives you so much variety to pair your clothes and get the perfect casual to semi-formal look. A toned ripped jeans. I personally love a cool ripped pair of denim jeans. It's my perfect casual, weekend, lounging pair of jeans. And the last one is the washed, light blue pair of denim. This is one of my favorites and goes with almost all kind of sneakers as well as the semi-formal and casual looks to style with. And now that you've watched this video all the way to the end, it's time to reward you with a bonus tip. I'm sharing a chart here with you to choose the right denim jeans fit for your body shape and size. You can take a screenshot of this and make this work for you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please do let me know in the comment section below about your favorite pair of jeans. I'd love to hear from you. And remember, life is more fun when you're at the top of your game.